Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a candy inspired look using several new products by NYX Cosmetics. To start off, I'm filling in my brows using the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in soft brown and just following the direction that my hair naturally grows. I'm now cleaning up the edges of my brows using the Plouise eyeshadow base in 0.5, which I like to use to prime my eyes as well because it doesn't need to be set and it makes the colors more pigmented. Once I've cleaned up my brows, I'm just popping on some Chella Beauty Eyebrow Defining Gel to keep the hairs in place, and then I'm patting in some of that Plouise base onto my eyelid. I like to do my eyes before my face sometimes because I could just wipe away the fallout and start with a clean base. For this look, I'm starting off with the dark colors and then using the lighter colors to blend them out, which is a technique that I've been really loving lately. So I'm first taking this dark shade from the NYX Sugar Trip Squad palette and applying it to my crease. And then I'm going to be applying several other colors from the palette which are lighter than this one to help blend this out and create a gradient. Now I'm taking this maroon shade and applying it on the edge of where we applied that first dark shade, and then I'll be taking a red and orange shade and doing the same thing to create a nice blend. When blending shadows into the crease, I like to use a fluffy blending brush in circular or windshield wiper motions. I also try to keep my hand towards the end of the brush handle to apply the product softly with less pressure. I'm now cutting my crease using my favorite duo, the Plouise base in 0.5 and the Morphe JH42 brush. This brush is really small and compact, which is great for cutting the crease, especially because I have hooded eyes. Once I've cut my crease, I'm blending the outer V shadows with the concealer using my finger, and then I'm taking the JH40 brush and the darkest shade we used and defining the cut in the crease some more. I'm also dragging that shadow towards my lash line and creating a circular effect towards the outer edge of the Plouise base. I'm then popping on some of this shimmery purple shade from the Pop Beauty Twinkle Texture palette on top of that, and then shaping that to look like liner using whatever's left on my brush from when we cut the crease. I'm now going back to the NYX Sugar Trip Squad palette and applying blue, green, and gold shades to the leftover lid space. My eyes are mostly done at this point, so I'm just wiping away some fallout, curling my lashes using the Kevin Aiken lash curler, and popping on some Afromika lashes, and then starting on my face makeup. To prime my face, I'm using the Maybelline Hydrate Master Primer, and then for foundation, I'm using the Estée Lauder Double Wear Light Foundation in Shell. I'm now using two of the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer shades in Pale and Vanilla to conceal my under eyes and highlight the center of my face. To set my under eyes, I'm using the Hourglass Transparent Veil Setting Powder and the Eco Tool Sponge, and to set my face, I'm using the same powder with the NYX Paradise Fluff Powder Setting Brush. Now for my contour, I'm using the Pop Beauty Contour 101 Matte Effect Palette, and for my bronzer, I'm using the Luminous Effect Palette, and then I'm carving out my cheekbones with the translucent powder from the Setting 101 palette. For highlight and blush, I'm using the NYX Paradise Fluff Highlighter in Head in the Clouds, and now it's time to finish off my eyes. I'm applying this peach shade to my lower lash line, and then I'm lining my upper waterline with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Zero, and my lower waterline with the eye pencil in Heartless. For my inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm using that same Paradise Fluff highlighter, and then I'm topping off the inner corner highlight with this silver glitter from the Pop Beauty Twinkle Texture palette, and then popping on some L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and lining my lips with the Mellow Cosmetics lip pencil in Maya. Finally, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Intense Butter Gloss in Swirlwind from the Land of Lolly's Lip Trio ornament, and that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!